Hi there, this is Gabriela helping you out with Money Robot tutorials. Okay, let's talk now about how I can share a diagram. Um, let's how I know how I can get the code or how can I do. Okay, those are other questions, common questions people are doing. What we need to do is go to a new campaign, open, and then in the area, on this area of the diagrams, okay, we go to the editor, and then from here we have two choices how to do it. Or we can get here the code and the ID, and definitely just give it to someone and they can import it, okay. And also in here, just imagine, okay, I want to do this, this is the ID, okay, different ID. This is one way, and the other way, just click on the share this diagram here, and then send the email, but I need to be the email they have registered with Money Robot. If you send it with to someone or to any email is not registered on the Money Robot, it's not going to help you at all. That way, always I use the ID, and it's much easy to do, to share, no problem, no way to make any mistake. This is a really simple action to do, and just follow me for more videos like this one. Bye. Till next.